Gusto ko with Karin. Oo, kasi takan mo yan.
Takan mo!
Gusto ko with Karin. Were they just so sweet? Right?
And did you see that like stage dive? I always wanted to do it.
Stage dive. Ano mo, maybe in the future mix mo.
Right now.
Right now? Oh, yeah, isa ni si DJ Luigi dyan. No, but, Karin and Yael, di ba? Yan ang relationship pic.
Relationship
Right?
Yun.
They sing together, they're married, they're both really funny and just amazing personalities. I think the best.
Actually, yung stage dive ni kayo pa na pinag-usapan yun eh.
Oh, I don't know if you guys heard kung sinabi nila backstage, Yael was just really hype. He was just so hyper and just so ready. Pero sabi ni Kurt, pagdating na doon, parang daw siya naiyak. Sabi ko pa ako, kiss! Diba? Parang gusto ko na kiss na yun. Nag-enjoy pa ba tayo dito? Ayan, marami pa kayong abangan ng mga acts. We're just getting started. Maybe. Hindi, marami pa. So far, since this is your first time, what have been your favorite moments here in Mix 1 2014? Trick question.
The stage dive.
Yung kagad eh.
Stage dive. I agree. You say it's a favorite one. Neil.
I think it's the compa, but I really enjoyed the performances of Casey because I've been a fan ever since.
Casey Nadiga, you know that girl just really puts her in 100% all the time.
Yes, and for me naman, I got to interview Yang backstage, and then when she came in, I was like, hi.
Starstruck. She really has that effect on people eh. Pag natin kay Constantino, at alam niyo ng mga youngsters na nandito, pag si Yang, namin nila ang starstruck talaga. Iba yun. And on the Wonder Saying,
Gusto ko rin yung performance ni Jisa.
galing niya.
Yeah.
Galing.
Galing mo na.
Kalimutan ko pa na i-mention yun.
Saan DJ Luigi?
Oh yeah, I think
I think they're setting up the next act right now. And this time, meron naman tayong homecoming act.
Yes.
Okay, and I think they were here a long time ago in the first mix mo.
The first mix was 2002. This rap duo.
And talking about time, they've actually celebrated recently. They recently celebrated 20 years.
20 years in the hip-hop scene.
Basically, mas matanda sila kay Gia.
Yeah.
So, wala natin patagal ito?
And you know what? They even shot a music video for their signature song, Jabonga.
Let's hit it with Legit Misfits!
Okay.
Good evening, Mix Mo! Y'all ready to party with us? Make some noise! Check.